Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School which is situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today I am going to discuss about the remaining exercise of chapter number 6, that is food for health. So students, in our previous video we have done the filling the blanks, match the columns, choose the correct option and do example for the following. Now let's come to the question number E, that is answer the following questions. So students, let's discuss about the question number first. Why do we need food? So students, you know very well we need food to live and grow. So here our answer is we need food to live and grow. Now the next question is name the 3 food groups and 1 example for each. So students, in the explanation of this chapter we studied the 3 groups of food: energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods and protective foods. So students, here you have to name this group and give 1 example for each. Like the first food group is energy giving food. So the example of energy giving foods are rice, wheat, ghee, butter, etc. Now the second food group is body building food. So students, the example of body building foods are milk, fish, egg, meat, etc. Now students, the third group, which is protective foods. So the example of protective foods group are fruits, vegetables and nuts. So students, now let's come to the question number 3rd. What is a meal? So students, here our answer is a particular type of food that we eat at a particular time of the day is called a meal. Now the 4th question is name the 3 meals we usually eat during the day. So students, we know very well the 3 meals we usually eat during the day are breakfast, lunch and a dinner. Okay students, let's come to the 5th question. Give any 3 rules of healthy eating that we should follow. So students, in this chapter we discuss about some key to healthy eating. So here we have to write any 3 rules of healthy eating. So firstly, you have to wash your hand before and after eating. The second rule is eat well cooked food. The third one is eat slowly and chew your food well. Okay, students? You have to write any 3 healthy eating rules. Okay? So, our question number E is completed. Let's recall. Recall and complete the concept map given below. So student, look at this map. Food groups. As you know that there are 3 food groups. Which are they? Energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. So students, here you have to complete the spelling of energy. In second, you have to complete the spelling of bodybuilding. And in third one, you have to complete the spelling of protective. Okay? Now, you have to write the example of these food groups in the box where example is written. Here, look at the box. Below the energy giving foods, you have to write the example of energy giving food, that is rice and wheat. Now below the bodybuilding foods, you have to write the example of bodybuilding foods like milk, egg, meat. Now in protective foods, in the below of protective foods, you have to write the example of protective foods. You know very well, fruits and vegetables are protective foods. So you have to write the example like this. Okay? Now let's observe. So students, you have to look at this boy and give the answer of the given questions. Question number A is, do you think this child is doing the right thing? So student, look at this children. This child is doing the right thing? No. Okay, so you have to write no in the given space. Now students, the question arises why. So students, look at this boy. His hands are dirty. So you have to write because his hands are dirty in the given space. Now students, let's come to the question number B. What should he have done? So students, look at this picture. What should he have done? He should wash his hand before eating. Okay, so our answer is he should wash his hand before eating. Now the C. Do you think he can fall sick? So students, look at this picture. The hand of this boy are dirty, so he can fall sick. So our answer is yes. Okay. Now the question arises, why he can fall sick? Because he is not in proper hygiene. Okay students. So if you want to stay healthy, you have to in your proper hygiene. Okay. Now look at the question number 2. In the space given below, draw any 2 energy giving food items you might find in your lunch box. Write their names. So students, you know very well the food items which gives us energy are called energy giving food. So the example of energy giving foods are rice, wheat, sugar, etc. So students, here you have to draw the picture of energy giving food items you might find in your lunch box. Okay. So you have to draw any 2 energy giving food items and you have to write their name also. Okay. I hope you understand the exercise by this video. So students, do discuss this with your family members and fill it in your book and learn also. Okay. Thank you students.